Namaste. My name is Rui Zimmer. I'm an international meditation master. Today I want to speak the bacteria are controlling our life. After the new discovery written down from bestseller author Dr. Gundry, the longevity paradox, what I read also, the bacteria in our gut control our behavior, life, feelings. And this might be shock you. We have 9 times more bacteria, virus, and worms inside of our body than cells. 9 times more. And 90% of our genes are not from our body. This means that the bacteria and virus and so on have conquered our body and so control our body. Yes, we are servant of our bacteria. How the whole thing is to understand. We have inside of our gut bacteria, and the gut bacteria communicating what they want with the bacteria inside of the cells. It's just so simple. And the bacteria inside of the cells are doing what the bacteria, the guts want. And the bacteria in our cells live there because they want the food, the shelter of the cells, and give back their energy. And this is 1.4 volt, what every cell has. And the more energy we feel or have in our cells, the better we feel. And this depends from our gut bacteria. As in which state we are, this depends of our bacteria. Think it over. The gut or bowel are the inside of there are the bacteria, and our feelings depend from that. What is with our behavior? They put the excrement of obsessive rats in the guts of skinny rats, and then the skinny rats were eating like crazy and got fat. And they reverse the experiment, same. And there was, for instance, for human being, there was a marathon runner, very famous one, and she had a disorder, a colon disorder, and they didn't know how to heal her. And then they put from her cousin the excrement in her colon, and within a half year she got cured, but she got also fat because her cousin was also fat. This means this thing is working, no? Not only for mice or for rats. What is about our feelings? They took again the excrement of happy rats in the guts of depressed rats. And the depressed rats became happy. And they reversed the experiment. They put from the depressed rats the excrement in happy rats, and the happy rats became depressed. What is if you have healthy gut bacteria? Then you want to eat healthy food because the healthy bacteria in your gut demand healthy food. And the opposite is also true. If you love junk food, then we already know that the bad bacteria or the harmful bacteria command junk food. And so you eat junk food. Because you have to serve what the bacteria inside of you. But you can change that. And the same thing is here what I described as depressed rats. Also for depressed people. They've done this experiment even 1930. With chronically depressed people, they just exchanged the excrement from happy people, put it in the guts of the depressed people, and 2/3 of them got healed. And now comes what is with longevity? It's the same thing. They got young animals and old animals, and then they put the excrement of the young animals to the old inside of the gut of the old animals, and got 30% more life expectancy. So what we have to do to get healthy and to get healthy bacteria. So I've written and done a YouTube how to detox the gut. First, do this to get the bad or the harmful bacteria and organism out of your colon. Then eat probiotic every day, that you get all the time healthy bacteria in your gut, and eat fermented vegetables and so on. Then what you eat, or first you should not eat. Don't eat cooked foods like tomato ketchup because it's total acid. Don't eat industrial processed food like white sugar. White sugar is far worse than smoking. It destroys also our healthy bacteria. It gives us cancer because the cancer cells need the white sugar. The best thing what you can do for cancer and die, eat white sugar. And white sugar is in so many industrial processed food, so that I'm totally against white sugar. Okay. So I'm 61 years old, total healthy, and since over 30 years, I'm eating only raw cost. So, okay. And I'm total fat. No? Okay. Don't eat pasta, dairy products, saturated fats. Okay. Sure. No? Then don't eat meat, fish, poultry because it's total acid. Don't eat grains, or at least no gluten, and including chia seeds. Then beans. Cook the beans like crazy, otherwise they are poison. Don't eat nightshade plants or lectin like peanuts, like tomatoes, peppers, paprika. They're all from America. Like potatoes, because our body could not adjust within 500 years on these vegetable or fruits. Sweet potatoes are totally healthy, but not the American originated. The same is true for corn. We could not adjust within 500 years to this food. And don't eat also eggplants, also zucchinis, all nightshades, because they have pectin and they have lectin. Okay, just get 3 or 4 tomatoes, put them in your garden, and watch what happens. The insects can't eat them. You let them 2 or 3 days outside, nothing will happen to them. They are protected because of the peel. And this peel is also on the paprika. The peel is poison. It must be poison so that the insects will not eat them. Okay. Just protection. The same is true for corn. Okay. Then instead eat fruits, vegetables, salad, and few nuts and seeds. And this diet confirms the rules of the Natural Health Association, who are eating for 200 years, only raw cost, and the lifespan is 25 years longer. And this is proven. And because they get to the right food, healthy bacteria in the gut and remain young and intact, even in high ages. Okay. I hope this was not too much shocking to you, and I hope that maybe it helps you to understand a little bit more from our body. Thank you that I could speak to you, and bye.